Alright, so I've been trying to spruce up the GS build a little bit, and I do have a factory spoiler that I want to put on, but I need to wrap it. We're going to see if my no experience, professional, unprofessional wrap job will come out good enough to where I want to put it on the car still and not pay someone else to wrap it, because I'm not trying to pay anybody to do it. So we're going to attempt to wrap it, and then we'll see how that goes. Okay, we're gonna grab this.
What's up, YouTube? Big dogs here.
Alright, here's my brother Blake. He's gonna help me wrap it. We're gonna attempt it, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what I'm doing. I've had this roller wrap for like 6 years, so it's definitely like expired and bad. I cut me out a section here, and then this is the factory wing. It's like not a real, like, genuine OEM one, but it looks pretty much identical. Yeah, I'm using window cleaner. Fuck it. Okay, now this is like way too wide. Oh, what the fuck? I think we have enough length on there. Yeah, we do. Good.
That shit's sticky.
Like all the way up to here where the paper is. We can like wrap it around the edges. Probably should have removed the
Well, you got more, so.
top film. Probably should have already had that removed. We think we found a method that like kind of works. But we don't know what we're doing at all. Well, I guess we're just figuring it out as we go. As long as the top looks good, the bottom's like already black. It kind of looks faded, but I just want the top to look good for now. I'm probably gonna take this off and pay someone to do it the right way, but for now, I don't really care. Heat it up. You're gonna hold it up. Yeah, you see the fuck out of it.
Yeah.
Just heat it up and get it to stick. Then you'll be alright. Get it right on that corner. Yep. Let's see. Oh! Get it to...
The lights didn't like that setting.
See, that, fuck it, I'm not worried about it. Oh, get it to
Throw one.
sit. Oh fuck, I fucked that all up. Let me talk to him real quick. Alright, so, fuck. Okay, so we got it like halfway decent. We don't know what we're doing at all. We're just cutting the edge off all these excess pieces like this, and then I mean some of this came out like really bad. Like these corners, they were kind of tough for us, but I don't know, overall not too bad. I think it came out good so far, but we're just going to keep kind of plugging away at it and see what happens. Before I show you this, let's keep in mind, I'm not a pro, and neither is Blake here. So we're just winging it. This is like strictly from like one YouTube video and like 40 Instagram reels I've seen over the last like maybe 2 years. If I show you guys at this like angle, you're like, wow, that probably looks good, but like, I don't know, this whole edge is like not the best, and there's little tiny stuff like this corner here that just looks terrible, and like same with this one over here, like not great at all. It's better than what it was, I guess. It'll match the car a little better. The wrap job itself, not that great, but I'm not here to impress anybody. I just want it to look good for myself. So honestly, I really don't think it's that bad for, you know, me and him just trying it. What do you think?
I give it 3 big booms.
We'll throw that on the car. That'll work. I don't know. Not that bad. And I think for changing the overall look of the car, I'm going to love it. So that's kind of an idea of what that would look like. Polishing a turd with my clapped out Beamer here.
Lipstick on a pig.
Lipstick on a pig. Hey. It's probably... Oh.
Look at that. It's pretty simple and good.
What do you guys think? Lines up pretty good or nah?
And go here. Yeah. This one. Be like here. And here and there. So there and here. That background.
It on the marks over there. If you lift up, you probably can see it.
Yeah.
Alright. So you can see we've made like 2 marks here and here. So I'm just going to do some small holes first, drill those out, and then we'll set the wing back down and make sure everything lines up still, and then go from there.
I'll be covered.
So we broke the 1/8 inch drill bit, but I think it will still work for what we need to do for the first hole. Yeah, that's my bad. I kind of did a little bit too much pressure. Straight.
That'll make it another
So we're gonna go one step above the one we just did, and then see what it's looking like. Now I know on the underside of the trunk we're gonna have to drill that like a little bigger, so you have access to like get in there and get the nut on and get the tools in there and stuff, but this is more just the outside hole that we're worried about. I don't think that would. See what happens?
I think it's so tough.
Yeah, that car's really cool. Okay, the battery died at some point. Hopefully the clip didn't corrupt.
Their server just got nuked.
Now we have to drill the like access holes on the bottom side of the trunk so you can get to it. Just gotta apply some of this stuff around the edge so no water gets in there.
Dude, even when I was like a little kid, yeah, they're both flush. I feel like they like weed out.
You guys don't like my wrap job?
It's alright.
No, it doesn't, bro. You don't have to fucking say that.
Bro, I'd look like SpongeBob when he gets the big arms.
You look crazy with them.
Shit.
All right, now I just gotta wire in the brake light.
No.
You'd be cool. That shit would get you smoked. I was like, yeah.
What's your name? There you have it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're
it's all
right.
blue, man.
You're right,
It's a bad
dog.
name.
So.
Ah.
I'm trying to figure out if that bounce pad should go or not.
What was that shit in Fortnite called? The launch pad? Yeah. Yeah.
At like shit. It's like Titanic, like sticking out of the water type shit.
It's been calm, bro.
It's been calm.
It's been a little calm.
Bro, my little nephew said the funniest shit the other day. There was like a lighter on my fucking thing, and he's like, oh, you take breaks? He's like, you're about to go outside and take a break? And I'm like, nah. I'm like, I use that to like wire, like you know what wires are, like wiring.
Press it.
Dang.
He fucked it up, twin.
Is this ball burnt out though?
All right, we're all wired up and in there. Good. Check it out. That looks way better. I'm jealous of GS400 owners who have that stock because that thing is kind of a pain to install. But I like to set mine back. What's cool is you can set it back further if you're doing it yourself. So I like to set mine back about as far as it can go. And then it kind of hangs off and it looks fucking sweet. So brake light wired in there. Oh yeah. All right. So there she be. Need to clean it off. There's like fingerprints all over it now. But I mean, for the cheap, I had the wing laying around. I had the wrap laying around. I had all my excess wire laying around and stuff. So I mean, it came out pretty good for free, I think. And plus it just looks so much better with that. I love the factory wings on these things. So, oh, and I did install these taillights in there, which I really like those taillights. I think they look good. So yeah, that's where we're at. I kind of on a whim was just like, I'm gonna wrap this real quick, and then I was like, let's just install it. I don't know. I guess let me know what you guys think. I'm not going to show you the underside of the trunk because that looks terrible, what I had to do to get it there and get it to fit because I didn't have the right size bit. But I put some fippage around the holes so that way you don't get any water intrusion or anything like that. So you want to make sure you do that or you'll just rust your trunk out really fast, and that's not ideal. So yeah, I don't know. I guess just let me know what you guys think of it. Damn, I love the way this looks now. Oh my god. Beautiful. Look at bro washing the whip. Following this damn VQ though, holy. That thing is so loud, dude. We had to stop at the car wash. Man. It looks tough with the spoiler. Well, that's it for this video. We're just gonna wash our cars and hang out for Memorial Day. So I appreciate it if you watched it. Like I said already, I do appreciate it. So thank you if you made it this far again. And like I said, I appreciate everyone who watches these. So bye now.